Hello everybody, Adrian here with another video. Black Lives Matter protest in Brentwood off of Garin Parkway. So as you can see, there is 2 helicopters circling. See if I can find them. Because of a Trump supporter, basically, hung a mannequin saying Sleepy Joe cheater. And that is what caused this. Pretty stupid. There's just a lot of sensitive people these days. Can't do anything at all anymore. That's really sad to me. The whole world has gone to complete crap. Trying my best to try to get these helicopters. There's one. Looks like the other one has flown away. And it's just that one. Other one probably went to go refill, or it was a news helicopter. This must be a CHP or police helicopter or sheriff helicopter for all I know. This really does amaze me. So I hear that dude's truck got vandalized and smashed, and they wrote F Trump all around his house, egged his house, and wrote F Trump on his garage, and just goes on and on. It's ridiculous. Just pure ridiculous. What has the world come to? Again, sorry for the video quality. Trying my best to follow the helicopters. Or helicopter at this point. That helicopter right there doesn't look like CHP's helicopter. I forget what the number is, but that does look like a CHP helicopter. There was a much smaller helicopter circling as well. I don't know if you guys saw it. But I do believe that was a news helicopter. There goes an airplane. Can't catch it for the life of me. Oh, well, there we go. New videos coming soon, guys. Please share, like, and subscribe. Would be much appreciated. And thank you to all of my subscribers for the support. I really do appreciate it. Till the next video, guys. Catch you later.